Good night, dear mates and tutor. My name is Lisette Fernanda Aguirre, and I am going to do the comprehend intellectual property. This is my concept map. We have here excessive processing time. The causes are the unfinished information, out-of-date documents, internal factors. The consequence that is that invalidity of the process, application rejection, inability to submit a procedure or application. And the preventive is recent information request, document the verification, and early coordination. 2 recommendations to avoid the obstacle defined. Technological tools provide all kinds of utilities, so through the development of use of applications, the problem can be solved. So the approach to use is not only that companies employ a strategy to implement digital technologies in their process, but the focus is now correctly articulating these efforts to encouraging the productions and development of new software that is useful, easy access, and that the costs are according to their utility in market value, so that they are more accessible to small and medium-sized companies. Another recommendation that can be taken into account so that companies can carry out their innovation process without delay is that the paperwork and formats can be implemented virtually through an application or automatically performs the registrations in the Chamber of Commerce and store of the data in the Superintendency and Industry and Commerce by thus speed at the approval. Thank you all. Good night.